Hey guys, I'm Lee. I'm a hockey dad, a hockey coach, and a hockey fan. I'm here to tell you about these new puck lamps. Let's disassemble and assemble it in 1 minute. This is how everything arrives. Let's unpack it real quick. Okay, this comes with 5 basic parts. The bulb part, the non-screw screws, you'll see what I mean in a minute, the actual lamp itself, the base, and an insert which you can have customized. I'm going to show you a couple of them on here today. Installation could not be simpler. I am not a tech person. You literally just put the lamp on the back. These are, again, the non-screw screws. I'm sorry, I don't know the actual name. You just line them up and you pop them in. And we're almost there. Next step is to apply the base. You just want to position one of these a little further to the back, wherever you desire on the light. Okay, next step is to apply the bulb. You can use any standard light bulb. We're going to be using this different color LED today. Best step, putting in the insert. Again, these can be customized with any pro team you want or any design you want. The light itself has a groove that this goes in. You just push it in with your thumbs and you're good to go. That's it. Last step is to plug it in. Add an outlet. I almost forgot. What if you want to change the light or change the insert? All you need is a flathead screwdriver. You jam it in, pop it out, and you're good to go. I initially was actually a little fearful that this might crack, but these are made from high quality materials, and I'm not afraid at all. It's that simple. Seriously, this is one of the greatest gifts I've ever gotten for under $50. It's a must-have for any hockey fan. My kids use it for a reading light or a night light, and my friends use it to light up their hockey fan caves. What a great idea, what a great gift. Check it out at the link accompanying this video.